Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, and then enter the settings. Here in this left section, as you can see, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates and tap on Software Update, which is at the top. And as you can see, your device is right now checking for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device will find any kind of new update. It will show you the information about it, some kind of notes, basically everything about it, and you will be able to tap on download and install. Your device will apply it. The second scenario is when your device will inform you that everything is up to date, there's nothing to download, and you do not have to worry about it. So you've got two different scenarios to meet. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.